Hey traders, I hope you all had an awesome weekend. So let's quickly take off with our analysis with natural gas, gold, and crude oil. Today, I'm going to start with our favorite commodity, natural gas first. So just wanted to give you an update as usual and what to expect from nat gas this week. As you can see, now we have a break and close below this zone now. As you can see, previously the market attempted to break below this zone, but the buyers pushed the market up every time it wants to break below. But this time, as you can see, we had a breach. Now, I personally enter with a retest. That is also a bearish pressure. If you ask me if the market is bearish or bullish, I will say it is bearish at this point. Looking at the technicals, looking at the daily time frame as well, looking at engulfer here, engulfer here, and of course on 4 hour time frame we had a nice head and shoulder pattern, and the second entry of head and shoulder pattern is right at the break. Now, I normally enter for commodities. I normally enter with a retest. Now, I want to see another red candle, then a retest of this zone. Once we have a retest, once we get it, then I will look for an engulfing candle or maybe a double top move from here. So I will look for a condition. Once I get a condition, I will update you guys as well, and I will send an email to members with exact stops and target as well. Now at this point here, we can also get a retest of this zone, this flag pattern before the market will pull back down. So not buying at this point, not looking to buy until we are completely broken above 50 EMA and this green zone. Again, this green zone is 8.860, goes up to 9.299. Here on currency.com, again, the similar condition, we have a break of this zone. This is the second candle. I want to see a close of this second candle, then a retest with a green candle, and then a nice engulfing candle or a double top move to look for my sell trades. So looking at that, see here, we had this double bottom rejection area. I want it to be broken completely so that we will have a good idea that the market will continue its trend downwards. Let's check gold. Right. As per my last video, I've said that we might see a double top action then, and if we get a push up, that will be our trend continuation level, and from this level we can expect a fall again. So we will enter sell trade with a good engulfing candle or maybe a double top move from this red zone. Now at this point, yes, if you mark your rejection zones here, that's not actually a major double top, but it qualifies as a double top because I got that move I wanted to see. Now, at this point, if this candle closes as an engulfing candle, then in that case, we'll have an entry, and entry will be $7 move up and $7 move down at this point. And once it hit the target, I manage my position or move my stop loss to entry point until the market pushes down. Again, the buying zone, the counter trading zone is this green zone, and I've already mentioned these zones in my last video. In case you have missed it, this zone is 1673 goes up to 1685, from where I will look for my counter trades. Now if this market broken above this 50 EMA and this red zone above, in that case the conditions will be changed, and then we will look for buy trades. So looking at that, if we get an engulfing candle here, then we can take $7 targets. Otherwise, if the market reverses, break and close above 50 EMA and this red zone, in that case condition will change, and then we'll start looking for buying trades. Let's check crude oil. As per my last video, I've clearly said that if we have a bullish engulfing candle, then we can expect a push up, and once it hit 50 EMA, we can expect a push down. Now, as you can see, let's see on the other chart here. Here, as you can see, we did have a push up, hit of 50 EMA, and now we are getting an engulfing candle. Looking at that, I'm expecting a push down from here, not a big one, but expecting some push down around $1.5 push down. Once we have a push down from here, I want to see another break and close below this previous low to take my trend continuation trade. But at this point, we can get some chunk of profit if we have an engulfing candle closed like this. Now, the reason I said we are not taking big sell targets because the market will still come back in the level of support which has not broken yet, and we can still get a double bottom action. Once we have that, I will look for, and if we get an engulfing candle, that will be your buying signal. And if we have broken below, like I said, we will look for a trend continuation trade until we hit the next major level of support right here, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos and which I've already mentioned in my last video. So that's all for commodity market, guys. If you have any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.